4 points the other night at Anaheim, tied a career high and tied a franchise record, most points by a defenseman in a game for the Panthers. He'll take this shot, save, rebound, score! Nick Cousins has his first as a Panther. To center, Montour got it away from Aho. Here comes Barkov moving in, up ahead for Hagee. Back for Barkov, and he scores! A gorgeous goal for Hagee to Barkov, and it's 2-0.
Oh, you can only contain the cap.
Defensive effort by Florida tonight is grade A. Lundell towards the empty net. Sam